Lakaw na, Audrey.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. On behalf of the LSTS parents, pupils, and my classmates, I would like to say we love our school. It's a joyful and nurturing place where we learn and play and build lifelong friendship. Our teachers are so loving, kind, patient, and dedicated. Every day they guide us with care, helping us grow into responsible, respectful, and excellent children, bringing pride to our parents and becoming valuable members of our team. We have so many fun and inspiring moments every day, all while discovering new and exciting things. Thank you so much, Living Springs Kindergarten School Incorporated and its leadership for making a wonderful place where can explore, learn, and cherish every moment. We are also proud of you. Your dedication to shaping young minds is truly a blessing, and we pray that many more children will grow under your care and wisdom. To God be all the glory, honor, and adoration. Once again, thank you so much. May God bless us all.